Far beyond the edge of night, where dreams blend into silence, there stretches an endless sea of stars. Each one glows like a thought, a spark in the great mind of the universe. Close your eyes and imagine drifting upward, slowly, gently, until the weight of the world fades away. The air grows thin, the sky deepens to velvet, and a quiet hum surrounds you. It's the sound of space itself, a low, eternal whisper, filled with memories older than time. You pass through the clouds, through the cold layers of the atmosphere, until Earth becomes a shimmering blue marble below. From here, it looks peaceful. No noise, no rush, only the soft pulse of life moving in rhythm with the turning of the planet. Now let yourself drift further, past the orbit of the moon, past the golden shimmer of the sun's light, where darkness begins to sing. Here, among the drifting comets and silent asteroids, you are surrounded by the first wonders of the cosmos. Did you know that space smells faintly of metal and ozone, like burnt starlight? Astronauts returning from spacewalks have described the scent clinging to their suits, as if the stars themselves had left a trace of their fire. In the far reaches of our galaxy, there are stars so massive they burn blue, and stars so small they pulse like the heartbeat of a sleeping creature. Some stars die with a whisper, fading into cool embers. Others collapse into black holes, points of infinity where gravity becomes stronger than light. Imagine a black hole, not as something terrifying, but as a gate to the unknown. Its edges shimmer with curved starlight, bending time around itself. Some scientists believe that deep within, reality folds in ways we can't yet imagine, that black holes might be the seeds of new universes, quietly blooming beyond our sight. Now, drift toward the Milky Way, our galactic home. It is vast beyond comprehension, containing more than 100 billion stars, each with its own story. Somewhere, a sun rises over a distant world with blue-green seas and golden clouds, much like our own. Perhaps there, too, someone is looking up, wondering if they are alone. Among these cosmic wonders are nebulae, clouds of dust and gas, glowing with color and light. The Orion Nebula, for example, is a place where stars are born. Inside its folds of pink and violet mist, new suns ignite every second, like candles lit in a cathedral made of time. Farther still lies the pillars of creation, towering clouds of cosmic dust, stretching for light years. What you see through telescopes today is ancient light, traveling for thousands of years before touching your eyes. Every time you look at the night sky, you are gazing into the past, witnessing light that began its journey long before human history even began. Now, imagine floating in that space where sound does not exist, but energy still sings. You feel the gentle radiation of stars, the cool shadows of drifting dust, and the endless quiet between them. In that silence, there is peace. In that stillness, there is understanding that everything is connected. Atoms in your body, particles in your blood, all forged in the hearts of dying stars. Yes, every atom of iron in your blood, every bit of calcium in your bones, was once part of a star that lived, burned, and died long ago. When it exploded, it scattered its elements into the universe, which later gathered to form you. You're literally made of stardust, the universe looking back upon itself. Far from home, a lonely planet drifts without a sun, frozen and dark. Yet even there in the endless night, it glows faintly from within, warmed by the last memory of its birth. Somewhere else, there are diamond planets where entire surfaces shimmer with crystal carbon, and there are worlds where it rains glass sideways, where skies glow green and suns rise in pairs. Everywhere you look, the universe whispers its secrets. There are galaxies shaped like spirals, like rings, like eyes gazing into infinity. Some move toward each other in a slow dance, destined to merge over billions of years. Even our Milky Way is moving toward its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. One day, long after we are gone, the two will merge into one colossal, star-filled system, a rebirth of light and gravity. As you drift deeper into space, time itself begins to soften. Minutes stretch like threads of silk, and you feel yourself floating in an ocean of calm. Stars shimmer like lanterns guiding you through eternity. You pass through a field of pulsars, stars that spin hundreds of times per second, sending out perfect radio pulses like cosmic heartbeats. Each one ticks in silence, keeping time for the universe. And for a moment, you realize that the universe is not cold or empty. It is alive, breathing, expanding, creating and uncreating, in an endless cycle of wonder. Somewhere, beyond what we can see, lie galaxies made entirely of dark matter, invisible but real. There may even be other universes, parallel and silent, each with their own laws of physics, their own versions of time and memory. The cosmos is a dream that never ends, and we, for a brief moment, are the dreamers within it. Now, feel yourself slowly returning, past the glowing clouds of nebulae, past the spiral arms of the Milky Way, back toward the shining blue of Earth. You drift gently downward to the thin layers of the atmosphere until you feel gravity's soft pull once more. Below you, the oceans shimmer like liquid glass. The continents glow with tiny sparks of light, cities breathing in the dark. As you descend, the stars fade into distance, like candles dimming in a quiet room. But you know they're still there, ancient companions watching over your dreams. You return to your bed, your breathing calm and steady. Outside your window, a single star flickers, a reminder of the infinite above and the peace that lives within you. Sleep now, traveler of the cosmos. The stars will keep their watch, and the universe will whisper to you until morning.